Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas. Beautiful wrist bracelet, beautiful jewelry. Different ideas, some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Very nice. Beautiful. Some are decorated with beaded stones, some are crochet flower decorated ideas, and some are simple style like bangles, button up style, lock up style, chain style, crochet pattern. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet bracelet ideas. Very nice. Most demanding collection, and you can wear this crochet bracelet with matching your dresses, with matching your clothing styles, dressing color, in any function like college birthday, uni function. Mostly girls like crochet jewelry, and you can wear this crochet bracelet at casual at your home. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and peace be for me.